Hi guys, welcome back. So we are just going to talk about what you need to have a successful journey using EMS. Now, just to chip in some instances we might say EMSW because um, it gives a certain branch of the EMS package. Um, EMSW is definitely Ecclesia Management System Web. Previously, for the past years, EMS has been served to churches on a different platform except web. So we had a desktop application software that has pretty much all these features that the web also has that were being used by different churches. Now there is a web, so we have EMS for the entire product that cuts across the web application, the mobile application, and then the desktop application as well. So if we say EMSW, this is what it means. So let's get started. Now there's just some few things you would need to be ready because you are dealing with a web application. We need you to have one of the key things that you would require is an internet enabled device, something like a laptop or a PC that you have. If you have a MacBook, that's fine. Anything, a personal computer that you can use to access the website, and these computers should have a browser, so it could be a Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Edge. Any browser is pretty much cool to use EMSW. But EMSW is optimized for Chrome. It's also optimized for Firefox and then Safari and Microsoft Edge as well. Any other browser can do the job, but it has to be a JavaScript enabled browser. So if you need JavaScript enabled browser, any of these browsers that have specified here under step 1 or point 1 would do the job. Now, for members are the ones going to use the mobile application. It was specifically designed for members. So there are functions that you find in the mobile application that you will not find in the web application. And likewise, you can't find functions that you find in the web applications on the mobile application. So mobile applications that we're talking about. We're talking about iOS, Apple app, and then we have the Android application as well for Android users. So for a member to be able to access these features, he or she should have either an Android device or an Apple iPhone. It could be iPhone, it could be any tablet, but it has to be powered or run by iOS or Android. Now you would also need to understand how to use a computer, or in this instance for members, how to use your phone or a phone. So having that basic knowledge is very important, and it's prerequisite for using EMSW or EMS, since we are talking about the app as well. And then you also have to understand the features of EMSW, where to find what, how to do what. Often than not, users tend to say that, it doesn't have this function, we're looking for a way to do this, but we can't do it. It's mostly knowing where to find what. EMS does almost everything. And again, I'm saying almost because every church and the way they do stuff, but then EMS touch base everything that the church does. So yes, these 4 things are what is required to be able to successfully use or harness the full features of EMS.